Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows terminal not working in Windows 10 or 11. So to resolve this problem, just open command prompt. So click on start, type here CMD. Right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Now here guys, you have to copy and paste this command line. I will give in description. So click here, edit and paste, then press enter. Now close and restart your system. Hopefully this method will work and it will reset terminal. Still you are facing problems, so just uninstall terminal and reinstall in your Windows system. So thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.